Hi, my name is Tiffany Tillman, and I have created a short video tutorial today to teach you how to create circular shapes or text using Photoshop Elements. Specifically, I am using Photoshop Elements 8, but the same process can be used for earlier versions of Elements too. Our first step is to open the editor and create a new workspace. I have chosen a 12 by 12 inch format with a resolution of 300 and a background color of white. Then our next step is to create a new layer, which I've done. Then select the brush tool. I have set my tool to paint a row of dots with extended spacing. You can see that here in my preview thumbnail. You can choose to overlap your dots to create scallops. Once you finalize the settings of your brush, use the tool to create a very long row of dots in a straight line. Next, we'll need to elongate the dots. And I know what you're thinking. Is that really necessary? Yes. Basically, we'll need to distort our dots first so they will look correct in the end. It's just a necessary step. So elongate those dots. Use the Control T for the PC or the Command T for the Mac keyboard shortcuts to quickly transform their shape. And we're going to elongate them just a little bit vertically, like that. Hit Enter when complete. Here's the fun part. Go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates, and verify that you've selected the rectangular to polar option. Then click OK. Your dot should change from a straight line to a circular orientation. Now it's quite possible, as you can see from my own example, that the dots did not connect. If that is the case, open up your Undo History panel and back up your steps and redraw the brush. You're going to have to play with the size and shape of your brush to get the best results. Once your dots are positioned to your liking, use the Transform tools to stretch the formation into a near perfect circle. You can also use the Type tool and substitute text instead of dots. Click on the Type tool and create some text. And of course, elongate that text. Again, if you don't elongate it, it's not going to look correct when you finish your polar coordinates. Then go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates. And it will ask if you want to simplify the layer. Of course, we do need to raster the layer, so click OK. Verify that you're going from rectangular to polar, click OK again, and your text will become a complete circle. Use the bounding box to reshape the text into a circular format. I hope you have enjoyed watching this quick tutorial for creating shapes or text in circle format using Photoshop Elements. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at www.simplytiffany.squarespace.com.